Now about to share my screen, start podcast. Okay, let's see. Are you able to see my screen? Is it sharing on your side?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. So let's see how far we can go with this. I won't stress you that much in today's lesson. We will just be discussing this question paper. So question number 1, you can see there, they want you to do nothing but factorize the following expressions fully. So something that you need to remember, Deboho, is that when you have a maths problem, as long as it does not have an equal sign, it therefore means it is an expression. So only if it has an equal sign, it means it's an equation, then you solve. But in this case, because it's an expression, it's either you can simplify. If you do not simplify, what you can do is to factorize as they say. So with that first one, we obviously have x to the exponent of 4, where that x to the exponent 4, it can be written as x squared minus, which other way can that 81 be written as? Because we are just trying to have the difference between two squares. Let me see if there's anyone else who has joined. Okay, Mangliso is there, and then Nyaki is there. Okay, guys, so the question now is, which other way can that 81 be written as? Are you guys still thinking about it?
So,
Mm-hmm.
can't you write it as 3 squared times 3 squared?
3 squared times 3 squared. Okay, so what we are trying to achieve, it is to have the exponents being squared, just so that it can be written as something base squared. Then we will know that we have the difference between two squares, and then we can easily factorize it. So that 81, it can be written as squared. What is that?
So is it 9?
Yeah, so that means it can be written as 9 squared. Then you have the difference between two squares. Remember, when you have x, let's say x squared minus 4, it can be written as x squared minus 2 squared. So when you have the difference between two squares, then it means you can rewrite this same thing exactly as it is, but on the other side, if you have a minus, on this other side, you will have a plus. Am I losing you guys with that example, or are we together there? In case if I've lost you, let me know. I will try different examples.
All good, sir.
Oh, good. Okay, then it's fine. So what do you guys think will be the final answer for that one over there?
So when you say x times x minus 9, that's in the bracket. then you say that again, but is it +9?
Okay, let me write it down. You are onto something. So this is that. What did you say?
Open bracket x times x minus 9,
Okay.
close bracket. Then you open another, you do the same thing, but you say +9.
Then we say +9. Something of this nature. So x times x, what is that, Mangliso? That is x squared, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that means it becomes a x squared minus 9, x squared plus 9. That should be the end of it. Does it make sense, Nyaki and Debuho? I'm not sure if there's anyone else who has joined, but otherwise, does it make sense, honorable members? Wiganya has joined.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. We move on to the next one where we have 1.1.2. Okay, maybe this one, let me check if there's anyone who would like to guide me as to how to work it out. Remember, for today, I won't stress you that much. I'm the one who's going to be doing the writing. So all that you can do on your side, necessary, you can look at it, think about it, attempt it, and let me know if you are ready to give it a try, and then you will take me through as I'll be writing. Hey guys, did you hear what I said? Are you working on it?
Please repeat, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so I just wanted you, Mangliso, to quickly work on it on your side. If you are happy with the final answer, then you can let me know and say, I think I know how to work it out. That 1.1.2.
Oh, one. Okay, thank you.
Okay. So I'll just be waiting for you guys to finish. And once you are happy with your final answer, then we can say, I've done it. I think I'm confident with the answer.
Sir.
Yebo.
So can I share my answer with you?
Okay, then it's fine. And let's see what you have done. Okay, first step, what did you do?
So, sir, I used the grouping method. So I took out a common factor between 6x squared y and negative 10x y. That common factor was 2xy.
2xy. Okay. Maybe
And
let me
then,
write
sir,
it here. Just so that I've got enough. Okay, maybe let me insert a blank page and I'll write it there. Where you say you took out common factor, which is 2xy. Okay.
and then, sir, bracket, I had bracket, open bracket, yes, sir. 6x, no, why did I say 6x? 3x minus 5.
Okay, 3x minus 5. Okay.
And then, sir, I found the common factor between 15x and negative 25, which was 5.
Okay. And then the sign is a positive 5.
Yes, sir, it's positive 5.
Okay, positive 5.
And then open bracket, 3x minus 25, minus 5.
Minus 5. Okay.
And then brackets, sir. And then afterwards, because there's a common bracket of 3x minus 5, what I did was I had
that
one bracket. Oh, yes, sir.
Okay.
What I did is that I wrote 3x minus 5 in brackets and then multiplied by 2x plus 5, 2xy plus 5.
Which is that and that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is 100%. So if you want to know if you are doing it correctly, whatever that remains inside your brackets must be the same. The moment you have different things, then you know something is wrong, especially when it comes to the signs. You might find that there you are having a negative and then for some reason you are having a positive there. Just know that something is wrong. You might need to check on that sign if it has to change so that this sign is the same as that one. So guys, anyone who got a different answer, or did you all get that same answer? Guys, anyone who got a different answer? I believe the answer is the same. Okay, let me do that. Just want to quickly, and I'll check if I can find. Nope. Okay, let's see what's happening there. Okay, this one is paper 2. And let's see. Okay. Remember, guys, I'm just randomly selecting some questions. And then we just discuss. So let's see, RQ. I hope you guys can see RQ. Maybe let me do this so that I'm able to highlight. So RQ is a vertical pole. Okay. The foot of the pole Q is on the same horizontal plane as P and S. Okay. The pole is anchored with wire cables RS and RP. Okay, makes sense. The angle of depression from the top of the pole the angle of depression from the top of the pole to the point P is 47 degrees, okay? PR is 21 meters, okay, that I can see. And QS is 17 meters, QS, okay, I can see. And they're saying triangle RPQ, angle P is the one which is called theta, okay? It looks like all that is given in the statement, it is represented diagrammatically. So it looks like there is no information which is given in the statement which is not written on the diagram. So now 6.1, they want you to write down the size of theta. They are not saying calculate, but they are saying write down the size of theta. And if you write it down, they are going to give you 1 mark. You just write it down, they will give you 1 mark. If you've got an answer or you've got an idea of what the answer could be, just mention your name and then I will recognize you. Guys, anyone who thinks they've got an idea, or are you still thinking about it? Guys, are you still there?
Yes, sir.
Still thinking about it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it difficult, Nyaki?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm not sure if you remember this thing of the angles where they have a Z. What do they say about this angle, Nyaki? This angle. Is it not the same as that angle?
It is, sir.
It's like you having this. And this line's being parallel. So that angle should be equals to that angle, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so what will this angle be?
So it will also be 47 degrees.
Yes, it will be 47 degrees. So just be careful of that, honorable member. So that dotted line, that's where the Z comes from. Indirectly, they just wanted you to remember that, okay, this is where that Z is coming from. No, I don't know why that does that. And you see where we say that angle should be the same as that. That's why they did not say calculate, but they just wanted you to write it down. Does it make sense to everyone, honorable members?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. Now they want you to calculate the length of RQ. RQ, okay. Try to work out RQ. As soon as you get an answer, let me know so that we will see how you've worked it out. Hey, guys, what's happening there? Are you still working on it? Are you done? What's the status?
So,
Mm-hmm.
so can I please try?
Oh, yes. Yes.
So, sir, I'm not, I just want to say that I'm not confident about this answer,
Mm-hmm.
but I tried.
Okay, let's see what you've done.
So, sir, I assumed that the distance of QS is the same as the distance of PQ.
Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
in mathematics, we do not assume in that way. You know why the Manyakis?
No, sir.
It's because if those distances are the same, then they would have one mentioned in the statement, or they would have done something like that. Can you see the Manyakis?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so if they do not do that, then it means they are not equal or the same. Can you see? They may look like they are equal or the same, but if they do not state in the statement or they do not show it in that way, it means they are not equal. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, but something that you need to remember is that calculate the length of RS. Oh, wait, they want you to calculate the distance of RS. What did you say, Nyaki?
So I assumed that QS is equals to PQ.
Okay, I see. Okay, no, I have responded to you correctly. Otherwise, it's fine. Then continue. I now want to understand what was your thinking after that assumption. Let's assume they were equal as you assumed. Then what would be the next thing?
So, sir, after that, I just used the Pythagoras theorem where I said
Mhm.
that R squared, which would be PR, is equals to PQ squared plus RQ squared.
Oh, okay. Okay, I see. Calculate the length of RQ. No, then it makes sense. Okay, so this is how you can approach it, the Maniakis, to say that RQ is attached to which triangle? Both triangles, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And then that triangle, is it a right-angled triangle?
So the whole triangle or one of the two?
One of the two. So it's more like you're saying the one that is attached to RQ, is it a right-angled triangle?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you say, if you have a right-angled triangle, what tools do you use? Number one, theorem of Pythagoras. What other tools do you use to solve problems related to a right-angled triangle?
So we use SOHCAHTOA.
Yes, we also use SOHCAHTOA. So this is what I'm going to say, the Manyakis. Every time when you discover a new information, either with a pencil or something, just make sure to write it, because with you not writing that this angle is 47 degrees, you might not find other ways to work it out. Maybe let me leave it there and give you guys an opportunity to think about it and try it differently. I think I've said enough, the Manekis. What do you think?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so let me give you guys another chance to think about it based on what we said, especially regarding the tools that
Sir,
you can use in solving. Let me give you guys. Yes.
so I think I'm also not confident with this answer, right? But what I did is, so since we have the angle and we have the hypotenuse of the triangle, right? You can use sine of 45 is equal to opposite over 21. So you use sine, right? And then so what you take that to get opposite alone. So you say opposite over 21 times 21 to cancel out the two 21s. Then you what you do on the right, you do on the left. So you multiply sine of 45 by 21. Then when I put that in the calculator, it says 14.8.
So that means RQ. Maybe let's formulate. Let me write it down from the start. What am I writing from the start? So you're saying sine,
Sine
this is
of
47.
45. Oh, it's not 45, it's 47. Oh, hold on. 47. Okay, yeah, I have mine. The sine of 47 is equal to opposite over 21.
Okay. Opposite over 21. Okay.
Then you're gonna multiply opposite over 21 by 21.
So rather say RQ, ne?
Oh, okay.
Yes, so rather say RQ and that.
Then you put that
Okay.
in the calculator
Mm-hmm.
and it gives you 15.3.
Corrected to decimal places is at 15.3.
To two decimal places, it's 15.36.
6, then you say meters. Yes. Rather convert it to 2 if it is not stated. Might find that somewhere there. That's where they stated it to say a round off to 2 decimal places unless otherwise stated. Makes sense, Manglis?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this should be the correct answer. The Manyakis and everyone else, does it make sense in terms of how you approach it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 100%. So now they say hence calculate the size of angle S. Okay. There's another question. You can also think about it and let me know what should be the answer to that one. Guys, what's happening? Are you winning or still thinking about it?
Sir.
Mm-hmm.
So what I did, since we have much call it RQ already now,
Mm-hmm.
looking for the angle of S. What
Mm-hmm.
what I used is tan of theta, which is equal
Mm-hmm.
to adjacent. So the opposite is going to be 15.36, and then the adjacent is going to be 17. So it's 15.36 over 17. And then
Mm-hmm.
that the answer is going to be 0.90. So basically 0.9.
Mm-hmm. Why that small Mangliso? Because it should be something closer to 47. Because you see that angle there is 47.
No,
Why
no,
is
no,
it
that's
that
not the
small?
answer. That's not the
Mm-hmm.
answer. I haven't gotten to the answer yet. So what you do now after that, you
Mm.
in your calculator you say shift 10, and then
The
you put
answer.
in,
Okay, now I see.
yeah, then you put in 0.9, then that's going to give
Mm-hmm.
you 1.99
So you say, what is the angle S?
for you 1.99.
Oh, okay, 41.99.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then it should be 42 when you round it off. It should be 42, then you say degrees. This should be the correct answer. Okay, I believe other members of parliament are able to see how to work it out. So now we look at that 6.4 where they say if PQ and S lie in a straight line, how far apart are the anchors of the wires? Maybe let me not say much and say there is a question, honorable members. What will therefore be the answer to that question? I will give you guys some time to think about it and work it out. So once you are done, you will just let me know. Let me quickly do Let's see, guys. I think you had enough time to finalize on that one. Let's see, what is the final answer? Or is it difficult?
So as my final answer, I got 31.32.
31.32. Anyone who got the same answer?
So I also got the same answer.
Yes, that should therefore be correct, because from what I'm thinking was you calculated that distance, and then after getting that distance, then you took that distance and added it to 17. Is that what you guys did?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, no, then it's fine, honorable members. We will leave it here for today until we meet again. But for now, I will just remove all of this and run away. So I'm thinking that sometime next week is when we are going to be meeting again. Okay, guys. Thanks very much for joining. Bye.